What's up guys, and welcome to the official Google Pixel Day. Today Google will be announcing a bunch of different products and services including the Google Pixel 4 family, the Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL. The phone that has been leaked, unboxed, reviewed, camera tested, used for months, and now someone out there is even selling the used Pixel 4 because why not? How did this all happen? There is no explanation. Pixel 4 broke the record of Pixel 3 as far as the leaks and everything goes. In case you haven't been following everything that has been around, this is the final video talking about everything you need to know about the Pixel 4 family, everything that's going to be new. And trust me, Google has done some interesting things. So starting with the design, the Pixel 4 family is definitely a lot different compared to the Pixel devices from previous years, because this time Google is using a gloss finish compared to its frosted finish that they used to do back in the day. So it's going to feel like a regular gloss phone. There's also a big square camera on the top left side of the phone, including the dual camera setup, which I'm going to talk about later in the video. And for the front design, Google finally decided to kill the notch and introduce a big forehead on these devices. And I have to say, they do look better than the Pixel 3 XL, that's for sure. They're definitely not the cutting edge of the Android world. I think that award goes to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So moving forward from the design, and let's talk about the display. We've got a 5.7-inch display for the Pixel 4 and 6.3 with the Pixel 4 XL. Both are actually having the smooth display technology, which is basically a 90Hz OLED panel, something we haven't seen on Apple or Samsung devices, and combined with the pure Android and the new gesture that Google is implementing, this will actually make everything really smooth in usage. So I'm actually looking forward to see how well it's gonna work. Now Pixel 4 has a 1080p display, the Pixel 4 XL has a Quad HD display. Now 90Hz sounds really exciting, but there is a big concern regarding the battery sizes of these phones. So the Pixel 4 is rocking a 2800 mAh battery, which is not a great news. Although it is a 1080p display, but with 90Hz, I think it could actually be a bit heavy on the battery. Again, we'll see how Google will optimize everything with this 10.0 Android software version. The 4 XL actually looks good enough, but in my opinion, I don't think it's going to challenge any current battery beast that we have. Pretty much every manufacturer went beyond 4000 mAh battery. Even Apple has a near 4000 mAh battery size on the iPhone, which by the way is the current battery drain champion. So again, we'll see the exact results of the Pixel 4 family in the battery drain test. Make sure to stay tuned for that. For the first time, Google has dropped the fingerprint scanner from their devices and they're going with the face unlock, and it's actually a pretty big thing. You'll be able to use face unlock for unlocking your phone, app sign in and payments, which is similar to what Apple's Face ID is. Along with the Face ID, one of the biggest features here is the Soli radar chip. This is a motion sensor that's going to allow you to skip songs, mute alarm, end the call or attend the call by just waving your hand. And the way they're showing it, it looks like a feature that might be very useful, especially when switching off the alarm. There will be a Soli optimized Pokemon game launching at the event as well, which looks pretty interesting. So with Soli radar chip, you'll be able to play this game in a very different way than any other phone. Now to most people, the motion stuff is gimmicky. Again, it depends. All in all, everything comes down to one feature regarding the Pixel devices that is the most hype feature, and that is the camera. Once again, the defining feature. We have some crazy sample results out of this phone, and I have to say these images, they just look absolutely stunning. The portrait mode, the clarity, the classic Google image processing, everything is on point. In the leaked samples, we haven't seen the video performance for this phone, so that is something that I'm more interested in, because last year's model was also good at taking photos, but then the video performance was not that great. So hopefully that is improved. Now there is a new feature with the camera. It's called as double exposure feature, and I think it's going to be amazing. Based on the demonstration trailer, you can adjust the exposure for both the background of the subject as well as the subject itself, and this way you will never have a underexposed or an overexposed image. This legit looks pretty interesting. The night mode is getting a very significant upgrade as well, to the point you'll be able to do astrophotography. The image samples are looking absolutely stunning. Currently in my usage, the iPhone has been the best phone when it it comes to the night mode. I even did astrophotography by the help of a tripod, and 30 seconds later, this was the result. I was pretty impressed, but Google might actually excel with this because this is handheld. With the iPhone, I had to put it on the tripod, so I honestly think that Pixel 4 family might excel with the night mode than any phone out there. Again, we'll see more on the camera soon. Under the hood, we have Snapdragon 855 chip with Pixel Neural Core. Other than that, Google has finally upgraded the RAM to 6GB compared to the 4GB RAM of the previous family, so RAM management will get improved for sure. Also, there will be some massive improvements with the Google Assistant. It can now seamlessly answer your questions back to back. It's gonna be a lot efficient and faster with this task. You will now be able to ask very specific things like show me photos with the dog, or you can specify a person or a place and it will be performed. This time, some of the commands will work offline as well, so you won't have to have the internet all the time. There's also a raise to wake feature where when you raise your phone, the Google Assistant will be activated in the background, and if you say a command, it will do it without you doing any squeeze gesture or saying any hot word. Basically, what this means is that Google Assistant will be much more active than before. It's gonna be available in 3 colors. We have the orange, white, and black. All of them have this black sides to them, but different colored power button, which is a nice touch. As for the price, the Pixel 4 XL is expected to start at $999, which is a bit expensive compared to the Pixel 3 XL from last year. We don't know the pricing for the Pixel 4, but it's gonna be most likely around $800 to $850. So yeah, that's all we have on the Pixel 4 family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for full coverage of these phones once they are out. And in the meantime, let me know your thoughts. Are you actually excited for these devices or not? Leave a comment, and in case you don't know, the giveaway for the iPhone 11 Pro is still live on the channel. The winner will be announced on October 20th, so it's the best time to enter. Link is down below in the description. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.